I can.
Kailan ka natulog?
I first drove a car when I was 15. It was my lola's car.
Wow.
Totoo, 15. Pero nagpaturo ako sa driver noon. And then, yeah, from there, for a while, di ulit ako nag-drive. And then, nagpaturo ako sa mom ko.
She just got her car na. I'm excited for her to drive it.
Well, I drove it na. Pero,
Yeah, I know, but like, to drive it more. Kasi we've been taping a lot. And I know you really wanted to use that car na.
But you know what's crazy? I can't drive sa highway.
Wag muna.
Wag muna. I can. He can.
I can eat. You know, I can cook. Egg. I can.
Depends.
Well, there are times I can if I'm tired, but then there are times medyo nadje-jet lag ako sa work. Kaya nararatal yung sleep ko. So,
I can when I cannot. Joke lang.
sometimes, yeah, sometimes.
Both. Depends.
I think
I can.
I can naman.
I think I can.
Yeah, I think it just has to be both of you guys, you know, exerting effort. I can't.
I can. I can't.
Hindi pa pwedeng both. Hindi pa pwedeng parang habang may career ka, parang pwede rin naman.
I feel like if the
Bakit
guy,
kailangan pumili ba?
I feel like if the person really loves you, they'll support you no matter.
Irrespect.
Yeah, irrespect niyan. And they would want you to pursue your career no matter what. So, I can't.
Ibig sabihin iwanan, di ba? Iiwan mo lahat.
Di ko kaya.
Hindi kaya yun. Kailangan kasi align kayo ng family niyo.
I can't. I really can't.
Pero sa sitwasyon kasi ni Bingo yun, wala na silang choice.
Mm.
It's obviously
Yeah.
easier said than done, but I think it's always
I
better.
can.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
Na?
Joke lang. I can, I think.
Oo naman.
Can I?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Matawa ka.
O, di ba?
And then, saan ba si Miss B, mag-racing ulit tayo para tumawa.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Hello mga kapatid! Iniimbita po namin kayo manood ng
I always say this to him. I love working with him. And it's true. Like, it's always a joy. It's always a delight to work with him. From Ino, diba? I tell you this. And now kay Break mo naman. And I love working with him because at the same time, I can see him. I want to be one of those witnesses in his life. You know, one day, like, I would see him and I have to hold him after.
Nakita ko paano nag-grow sila. You know, doing different genres, doing different characters. And I always tell this as well. I'm so happy that I get to go through, you know, even this industry with someone I really trust. Someone that I know also wants to be there to support me. And it's something very hard to find and very rare to find. So I'm just glad that I get to go through this with him. Tama na imagine na yung Carla. So ganun, parang nagiging part na siya ng ikaw yun eh. Parang, okay, pero after ng show na yan, I'm just happy kasi nandun pa rin si Belle. So, seeing her even more and more mature into a fine woman, it's super nice to be a part of because I know how dedicated she is in her craft. I know how badly she wants to grow and to really take things seriously in terms of her projects. And ako, no matter what she wants to do, nandito lang ako para support siya, cheering for her.
One thing I learned from this area was through my character na don't be afraid to ask for help. And I think starting the teleserye, I always had this hunger na parang, I can prove this, I can do this, kaya ko to mag-isa. But then along the journey, na-realize ko na, no, I can't do this alone. I need Direk, I need Dawn, I need everyone there. Because my character wouldn't be Caroline if it weren't for them. And simply goes to show with also my personal life. I wouldn't be who I am without the people around me and my environment.
talaga kami. Nagawa na namin yung rom-com eh. And I think it's nice that we got to experience a completely different flavor. We learned so much in terms of how we prepare for scenes na sobrang bigat, and not just once but multiple times. It's not in one day. And that's not something that's easy to do, especially if hindi ka kumakalas agad like me and her. Like, we really took in our characters as our own. Natuto kami kung paano mag-let go din ng characters namin from time to time. And kung kailan din kailangan i-embody. So that was really big for us because the stuff that we went through here as Bingo and Ling, never namin naranasan sa ibang projects namin. You learn something new, and not just ourselves but from each other. Wow, kaya na yung mga ganitong eksena, or ganito pala yung atake niya dito. Ang daming first times. Since we've been together for 9 months in the series, every day, iba yun kumpara sa 12 episodes lang. It's different living and breathing the characters.
It's so hard, like, it comes to a point that remember when you're wearing your wig?
Yeah.
Even behind the scene, even wala sa camera, I call him Bingo. Ganun siya kahusay. Like,
Wait.
totoo! Mahal nila tumatagos sa phone ko. So, thank you so much.
Yeah, no, we're very, very appreciative. We've learned so much from them as well kasi ang dami rin nilang pinagdaanan, and yet here they are. Everyone is going through something, but selflessly they show their love and support. Nakaka-overwhelm na may mga tao na sumusuporta sa inyo na ganyan. And nire-respect nila kami, nire-respect namin sila. Just to see some of the efforts that they really go through just to show their appreciation and their support towards us. We cannot thank them enough.